What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video I want to talk real quick about my partnership with Redtrac, the tracking software that I used in a lot of my videos. I've decided to no longer continue with this partnership, not because the software is not good. The software itself is very interesting. I like a lot of features, that's why initially I approached them for a partnership. But the support level is too much of a startup where I'm onboarding in my next mastermind up to 400 students and they were not capable enough to deal with my students in the April mastermind, unfortunately. I will keep the links that I have in the videos. I will keep my introduction to Redtrac if you sign up for Redtrac, because obviously it's a lot cheaper tracker than, for instance, Voluum, which I have made a new partnership with. And moving forward, I will use Voluum in my videos. I will use Voluum for the mastermind. For the transparent information, Voluum pays me a lot less to promote their software. So it's not about the money for me. It is really about the functionalities, the support, because a lot of beginners require a lot of support when setting up the initial software. And I don't have anything bad to say about the Redtrac support. They were always there when I needed them, just not in the quantity that I needed them. Not enough personnel to handle all the tasks that had to be done to comply with my requirements to be able to sponsor a mastermind like mine on such a big scale, like 400 people. That's a lot of people. And with Volume, I now have dedicated support people for me, which I can reach out directly to 24/7. They will help out. So if you are with Redtrac, do not worry. I still recommend the software to beginners. I still appreciate the opportunity they gave me for a partnership, and I still would recommend them to any beginner. As I said, I'm just not using them in my videos anymore, and I'm not actively promoting them throughout any of my business ventures. So I just wanted to let you guys know that if you wonder why I'm using Volume instead of Redtrac in my videos, this is the reason. So for anybody looking into Redtrac, get that software, it's fine, the price is on point. If you are a bigger affiliate, my honest opinion, you might want to go for Bynum or Volume, or when you have cash flow enough. I think these are more developed softwares with not startup features, problems, bottlenecks, those kind of things. All good, all love. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.